Hello guys, in today's video we're going to take one of the small glass, we're going to put a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to take one of this clear ball and attach it right on top. Then after that we're going to flip it around, and in here we're going to put something at the bottom not to dirty my table. So I'm going to use some Mod Podge. So I'm going to put the Mod Podge around it like that, and I'm going to spread it out with a brush like that all the way around it in the top and bottom. Then after that I'm going to take glitter and place it around it. You guys can use any color glitter, it will look great. It doesn't even matter. Just make sure to put enough of glitter so you don't have like little gap and let it dry in between. I'm gonna spray paint it in white in the inside. You don't have to. Then I'm gonna take some floral foam, put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach it into place. I'm gonna grab my flower and then just go ahead and fill it up all the way around it until I do the whole thing. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is like something simple, something fast that you guys can do. This could be for a home decor centerpiece, or this could be for a wedding or party decorations idea. Either way, is think it looks cute. Now for the next idea, I'm going to grab one of these fluorofoam, round fluorofoam. I'm gonna put toothpick inside like that, and then after I put the toothpick all the way around it, I'm gonna just place the flower. You can go ahead and attach it with a little bit of hot glue in the toothpick, and then just attach it in there. So we're just gonna go ahead and continue attaching it like that. Then after you do the whole thing all the way around it, I'm going to take a glass and place it right in the middle. And here, make sure to put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it into place like that. Just hold this until it attached. Then I'm going to take this small candle holder. I'm going to put a little bit of the hot glue on the candle just to hold my candle into place like that. And then just hold it there until it attached. Once you attach it like that, make sure to fill up the whole flower on top now to cover the part of the floral foam all the way around it. You could put a little bit of greenery inside. I'm also gonna put some gold just to make it super cute. You don't have to, but I think it gives it a little cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Then after that, this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is like something simple, easy, and fast. I'm doing this DIY that are inexpensive idea that you guys don't have to spend a lot of money to make something cute for your decor. Either party or home decor doesn't matter. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take the same thing. I'm gonna take the flower out like that, and then after I take it out, I'm gonna put the small candle holder around it. I'm gonna use three of this candle holder like that. I'm gonna place it around the mixer to attach it with hot glue, and then I'm gonna take the candle, put a little bit of hot glue like I did before, and then I'm gonna attach it right into place. So we're gonna continue attaching candle one by one until you do all three. Make sure to hold it into place because that's what's gonna hold it so it won't fall apart like you see it's coming out. So make sure to hold it a little bit before you decide to let go. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and place the flower around it like that. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do. You could do mix the color. I think either way it looks great. It doesn't matter how you guys want to do it. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna grab one of this clear place and comes in clear. I used it before, that's why this is gold. Then I'm gonna take this solar light. I'm gonna take two. I'm gonna take this part out and I'm gonna place it right inside here to make it like that. Then go ahead and put a little bit of hot glue and attach it into place. Then go ahead and spray paint it in silver or whatever color you guys are doing. Then I'm gonna take this flower and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it around the plate and attach it into place. Make sure if you want, you can use floral foam around it instead of just attaching it with hot glue like that. I just decided to just go ahead and attach it with hot glue all the way around it. Then I'm going to take this crystal garland and place it right in there and attach it into place all the way around it. I'm going to take this plate and a mirror and then I'm going to go ahead and just place it on top. And here you could use a clear glass like that with a candle inside, or you could just paint it out and put flower on top. It's either way, I think it looks super cute. So this is how beautiful you guys it turns out with a clear and the candle, which I think it looks great. And this is the other way. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video.